Hello everyone. So for today we're gonna make some envelopes. I have this envelope punch board. I know We Are Memory Keepers has one, and I think Stamping Up one other one, and then I have my bone folding thing that I got off of Etsy. It was the only one I could find, so if you can't find one, I'm sorry. They also, for Fiskars cutting boards, they have an attachment that you can take off and put back on that works like a bone cutting tool. So we're gonna make some envelopes and all that jazz. Just gonna pull my two that I think I'm gonna do envelopes out of, and these two I'm gonna do flippy things out of. So let's do our envelopes first. And these are going to be, the paper size is going to be 6 by 6. So the card size will be 3 inches and 4 by 4 inches, and the score line is 2 5/8. So I line it up to 2 5/8. I punch it, and then I stick this part in it. There we go. Then I line up the part that I scored to this, or to this line, and I punch again, and I bone fold that end. And then I just keep on doing the same thing all the way around. So it all lines up. And sometimes this happens, but it's no big deal. Alright, got them punched out. Now I'm going to take the time and punch out where I think I should just fold it and find out where I'm going from here. I really don't like how that one was punched out. That should fix it. No, it still didn't fix it. What if I do it this way? There. That should fix it a little bit better. And then you choose which side you want as your front, and I think I want it this way. Okay, so it needs to be this one or this lacy one. I think the lace one looks the best. So now I'm gonna just do this quick. Take this corner and punch that out. take them little scraps and throw that away. And then I'm going to glue these down quick. I don't like how it's coming up on this side, so add a bit more glue to that side. There. Now we got our first envelope. Now let's make another one. Maybe I'll have a little less issue with this one. Alright, 2 5/8. Now line that up, push that. Now this one should be for 2 5/8. Yep. It is. Okay, there. So yeah, it looks way better, this one. I like this idea right here. So I'm going to glue it that way after I get this corner punched. And if you do not have a regular or a envelope punch, you can just fold it too, like you would an old piece of paper here. Like this, and all you'd have to do is glue your sides here, and that would make the same thing. Just wanted to show that to you because I understand not everybody has a circle punch, or not a circle punch, a envelope maker. I folded it this way because I like that look of it looking like it's hugging a tree or hugging the piece. I kind of wanted that look, so that's why I did it the way I did it. But normally you would do it this way. All right. Now our next one these are 6 by 6 papers again, and you line it up at 3 inches and you fold it down. There we go. So this should fold whichever way, or in the way you want it to. Now this part you fold, or only bone fold to your bone fold area. Then, just so I can make sure I'm doing this as best I can, I am going to take my cutter here because it's more where I can keep track of it. Okay, that middle piece that you bone folded, that's what you want cut out. Then one will go this way and one will go this way. And when you go to put it on a page, this is how you can do it. You can go off and glue this piece here. This will be together and it can be hugging the page, and you can actually glue around this, whatever, or to make another pocket that way. Or you can glue it on a page like this, and this is all sewn together, remember. And you can have this flip open, and you can have like pages inside this, and then have this as just a pocket. I like to sew around these. I don't know why, but I like them sewn. So what I'm going to do, when I sew it, it's all ready to go. I'm just paper clipping it in. Or paper clipping it so I have it ready to go for when that happens. I don't really want to cut her. How about if we do it this way? Just seeing what that would look like. Okay. Yes, definitely would work. Then, because I don't want to cut the lady's face. It just don't feel right doing it that way. And then this will be our edge there. And you could always take a pair of scissors. I just, for some reason, feel like I need to get as best I can a precision cut here. So I could easily just do it this way. So the last one, I did it the opposite way. This time I did it this way. So I'll sew her in like that. And again, I'm going to be sticking a paper clip on it so it stays together when I do my mass making of sewing, because I put together a lot of different things from paper. Paper Inspirations is where I got these ideas from to do these things with this paper. So just so you're aware, if you want better details or a different point of view of how to make the same things, you may go to Paper Inspirations, and she will have, this is I want to say series 2 or episode 2 of her breaking up 12 by 12 scrapbooking paper series. So I've been slowly enjoying it, but this is definitely interesting. And these are the two pieces that I liked doing out of the thing. She also did one where she did a flippy thing, or not a flippy thing, but a different kind of pocket, but I didn't really like that kind of pocket, so I decided with my 6x6 these were what I wanted to make for our Jane Austen journals. And we might actually figure out with these envelopes a way to hold on to these edges. I mean, this would work, I guess. This is what she did, was took pieces like this, but I don't have my scissors with me as usual. I forgot them, so I'm just gonna 2 inches. There we go. Let's do 2.5 inches. Here we go. Now I'll glue these on quick, because again, this is my one gluing and my other one is sewing. So all I'm doing is this, stick this here, line this up, and push it down. Yeah, that should work once it's dry. Since I don't want to do too much decorating with this collection of 12 by 12 papers, I just think they're too pretty. Too pretty to go off and want to cover up. But I mean, something as tiny as this as a scrap, it goes bye-bye. It just goes in the garbage. I'm not going to keep that big of a scrap. So here we go with our envelopes and our cute little pockets that I'm going to sew up later on this week. I'm going to try doing my sewing videos after I got a nice pile going of stuff like this. I'll do a sewing video with me doing this with you. So that will be coming up again later on, just not today. And have a great day or night, and remember to like, comment, subscribe. Bye.